What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to edit the notification panel on your POCO M6 Plus. So first of all, swipe down to open the notification panel and then tap on this edit option. Now from here, if you want to remove any icon from this menu, tap on this remove icon. And if you want to add more icons, then scroll down and from here you can tap on the add icon with the shortcut to add it to the quick settings panel. And after that, tap on this icon on the top right corner to save changes, and your quick settings panel will be changed. So that's how you can edit the settings panel on your POCO M6 Plus. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.